Hello everyone, welcome to GBA College video lecture series. In this video, I am going to discuss the International Accounting Standard number 40, that is investment property for MCOM second semester students. Let us discuss the meaning of investment property. See this, investment property is property, land or a building or part of a building or both. Okay, so investment property is a property that may be a land or a building or a part of building or both, held by the owner or by the owner or by the lessee under a finance lease to what? To earn rentals or for capital appreciation or both. Okay, so this is property, or it may be a land, part of building or building which is held by the owner or by the lessee under a finance lease to earn rentals or for capital appreciation or both. Okay, so let us discuss the definition of this investment property. See this, investment property held for rent or capital appreciation. I'm already told that. So this is not for sale or use in the production. Okay, see, a owner occupied property held for production, supply of goods and services or administrative services. Okay, what is the objective of this standard? See, to prescribe the accounting investment property and related disclosure requirements. Okay, see, the IAS 40 addresses the issue of accounting for real estate properties that may be a building, land or both. Okay, so that are held for the purpose of capital appreciation or rental income or both, and not for the purpose of using them internally in the production of goods or services. Okay, see, what is the scope of this standard? See, the standard shall be applied in the recognition, measurement and disclosure of investment property. Okay, see, the land held for long term capital appreciation. Okay, this standard shall be applied in the recognition, measurement and disclosure of investment property. It may be a land held for long term capital appreciation. Okay, land held for a currently undetermined future use, and a building owned by the entity, and a building that is vacant but it is held to be leased out. Okay, so property that is being constructed or developed for future use as an investment property. Okay, see, next, these are the examples of investment property. See this, investment property that is land held for long term, buildings leased out under operating lease, and vacant bidding. See, okay, these are not investment property like property held for sale or finance leased, construction contracts, owned occupied property, and investment property under constructions. These are not investment property. Let us discuss the measurement at recognition. See, an investment property shall be at its cost. Okay, transaction cost shall be included in the initial measurement. Okay, so in the initial measurement, at acquisition cost includes the purchase price and other cost incurred to prepare assets. Okay, see, investment property shall be recognized as an asset when and only when that is, it is probable that the future economic benefits that are associated with the investment property will flow to the entity. Okay, and the cost of the investment property can be measured reliably. Okay, see, this is to be recognized as an asset when and only when it is probable that the future economic benefits that are associated with the investment property will flow to the entity, and also the cost of the investment property can be measured reliably. Okay, so subsequent measurement done at cost less depreciation or impairment loss or fair value. Okay, disposables of this standard. See, an investment property shall be derecognized, that is eliminated from the statement of financial position on disposable or when the investment property is permanently withdrawn from use and no future economic benefits are expected from its disposal. Okay, and the gains or losses arising from the retirement or disposable of investment property shall be recognized in profit or loss. Okay, see what are the disclosures of this standard. See, an entity shall disclose. Okay, so whether first one, whether it applies the fair value model or the cost model. See, whether it is applied the fair value model or the cost model, it is to be disclosed. The amounts recognized in profit or loss, and C, that is net gains or losses from fair value adjustments. If is there any net gains or losses from fair value adjustment, that should be disclosed. And transfer to and from investment property. Transfer to and from investment property. See, IAS 40 permits that transfer of investment property from investment property other type of assets such as inventory or plant assets when and only when there is a evidence. And the depreciation methods used, which type of depreciation method can be used, that should be disclosed. The useful lives or the depreciation rates used. Okay, this is all about the disclosures of this standard. This is the total summary of this standard. Okay, for the investment property, that is, investment property is held for rent or capital appreciation. I am already told that. Okay, so this is held for rent or capital appreciation. This is not for sale. Keep in your mind. Okay, so measure initially at cost including transactions cost. Okay, so in the initial measurement, that acquisition cost includes the purchase price and other cost incurred to prepare assets. Okay, and choose fair value or cost model after initial recognition and apply to all properties. Okay, recognize all investment property under operating lease at fair value after recognition, and recognize changes in fair value in profit and loss for the period. Okay, so if is there any changes in fair value in profit or loss for the period, that should be disclosed or it should be recognized. And classify according to IFRS 5 once held for sale, and transfer when investment property becomes owner occupied or used in another way. Okay, so derecognize when disposed and recognize profit or loss on disposable. Okay, on disposal. Last one, make detailed disclosures and reconciliations of opening and closing carrying values. Okay, so make the detailed disclosures of and reconciliations of opening and as well as closing carrying values. Okay, this is all about the summary of this standard. Thank you for watching. I hope you understand. Thank you once again.